Gusto mo bang maging part-time writer dito sa Starry Writing? As you can see, ito po yung aking story. And then, I got exclusive contract from my editor. So, how you can earn in this platform. So, madadownload po ito sa Google application. So, here, you have a task center. Dito po ay makikita po natin yung ating mga pwedeng rewards na makuha. So, every time na mag-update tayo ng 1,000 word count daily, is makakuha tayo ng moon ticket. So, yung moon ticket na yun yung magiging daan mo para ma-discover yung libro mo. Points yun. So, dito ay mag-upload tayo ng daily update. So, nakikita po natin na we can earn reach revenue share of $4 this month, including last day. So, meron siyang mga, parang tire. Yan, $34. So, ayan, 25 this month. This month. Ayan. And $100 or $80 this month, including last days. And, yan, 150 cash. Madali lang pong kumita dito basta masipag po kayong mag-upload, mag-update ng daily update po. So, maraming pong salamat and don't forget to like and subscribe.